Hi. So it's been a while, a few weeks. You may already notice that we're not in my loft in Detroit. Well, what happened? So I moved. During all of COVID-19 and the scare and everything, before that happened, I was actually looking at buying a house, and I found a house and I made an offer, and we went back and forth. Actually, I found a few houses, and this is the one that's stuck, thank goodness. So over the last few weeks, I have been in this weird transition period of getting out of my old house, moving into this new house, getting this new house ready to actually live into, and all of that, all while going through COVID. It's been kind of a weird situation and a scenario that my realtor and all of these people have never dealt with before, right? You know, like instead of like a final walkthrough where me and my seller and my agent and his agent, they all walk through the place at the same time, making sure everything's like ready and finalized, couldn't happen because we couldn't be within more than 6 feet apart. I couldn't be here when the inspector was here, when he was like going through the house, making sure everything was, you know, kosher and all of that. So it's been a really weird few weeks. And on top of that, I've been working from home, making sure that my clients and advertising are all still, you know, doing the best that they can with all of this situation going on, right? Cars still need to be sold, but these big brands still need to know what they're doing. So I've been quite busy. I don't know if you see these wrinkles under my eyes and the black spots, but put it into those 75, 80-hour weeks, just making sure that clients are good. So what this video is about, obviously I'm really excited I have a house. I bought a house. This is the first house I've ever bought. This is probably the most adult thing I've ever done. So I want to take you guys through it right now. And before we even like start touring, big thing, bigger garage. Yes, bigger garage. But also I have no furniture. I need coffee, sorry. I have absolutely no furniture. Because of COVID, nothing's open. Literally nothing's open. IKEA won't open, Crate Barrel, all these stores that I would go and like furnish my house, can't because they're closed. I spent a few hours the other day online shopping for furniture and all of that, and I spent like literally like 3.5 hours like going through all these sites, making, you know, my carts full of stuff so I could like at least get it shipped to here, and like during my downtime on the weekends where I'm not allowed to go outside and all of that, build furniture, have something to like live in. And then they told me that like, they won't ship to Michigan like on the very last step, so a bit frustrating with that. So I'm gonna take you guys on a quick tour of my house. Yeah, let's go do that. So I just looked through the footage that I just shot, and I've realized something. My beard looks gross. So I decided not to shave for all of COVID just because I can. So I'm sorry. Hopefully one day I'll be able to see my barber and get my ridiculous long hair right now cut and this beard kind of trimmed up because it's looking pretty gross. Okay, so we're in my living room right now. Check it. Well, living room. As you can see, there's no furniture here because I have no furniture. So the idea is couch over there, 2 chairs facing the couch. That's towards the front of the house. Over here, I'm going to have a giant bookcase. So I have a bunch of books I'm gonna put over there. My music's over there now. And then over here with this really goofy light that's gonna get replaced is where my coffee table's gonna go. I haven't figured out, I wanna like paint some walls and all of that, but I haven't done that yet. So if you walk through here, this is my bathroom. This is a top floor bathroom. This is like my bathroom. It looks like a bathroom. It has a, check this out. Boom. All right, let's see if I can do it. Check out, it's got like a weird toilet. It's not normal. And then over here, this is my bedroom. Once again, mattress is on the floor. I have got a walk-in closet, which is nice. I've got a nice big mirror that I can look at. Look at, I'm such a gear nerd. Do I need this for like a simple vlogging setup? No. Do I like it? Yes. Should I have bought it? No. Don't tell my mom. Okay. So, over here is my office. And I have nothing in here. I have my table, which is nice and that works, and a little electric fireplace and my locker and a bunch of boxes of equipment because that's kind of all we have going on right now. And then in here is my closet. I decided to have my closet in this one because obviously this closet is really nice. Hi. That's fun. Closet. So, you go through here, through the living room, through the kitchen, a little plant shelf. It's cute. And look at this little guy. Hi. Oh. So we'll look through here. Here's the kitchen, a backyard with my garage. We'll go talk about that garage. Oh, it's raining now. Okay. It wasn't supposed to rain, and then it started raining. And all of us were going to go ride. So down here, oh, gotta fix that. So down here is my basement. And don't judge me on the state of some of these rooms. This is the guest bedroom that isn't quite put away yet. Basically, I've been just throwing big boxes and stuff like that in there because I don't really need it. Until my mom decides to come. And then, got this lovely TV room. Xbox is set up so I can play Forza. It's cold down here, so I got a blanket. My kitchen table that doesn't fit upstairs is now down here. And then I've got another bathroom. Boom, and a shirt on the floor. So this shower is ridiculous in every way possible. There's 2 Bluetooth speakers in the very top of this. Boom, boom. And then there's like 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shower heads. There's 6 shower heads. And to control the Bluetooth speakers on these 2 in the shower and in the shower here, there's like a USB plug and a Bluetooth speaker over here by the toilet. It's a fancy toilet. It doesn't need to be like this. So that's the house. It's not super big, but like I don't need it to be super big because it's just me. I'm not gonna show you the front because I don't feel like you guys need to see what the front of my house looks like, but I will show you the back and I'll show you the best thing, the coup de grace of having a large garage. It's raining. Nice little yard. I have a little porch and a little garage. Because this is what really matters. This is my garage. All right, so there's a lot in here right now. And we have some stuff to take down, that's for sure. All of these cabinets over here are gonna go. All of them. This section's gonna go way too much. And I'm just gonna keep this section because that's all I really need. There are lights in here, but I can't use them because they are these fluorescent lights and they flicker on camera. They're not flickering now, but I have LED lights, so I'm gonna change those up. And then motorcycles. 1 motorcycle, 2 motorcycles, 3 motorcycles. You guys don't know about these bikes yet, so more videos coming out on that. I will tell you that for sure. On the back of my house. It's itty bitty. I love it. So that's, oh, let's see if I can do this. There we go. That's my house right now. I'm really excited, guys. Obviously this is not a normal video, but this is my channel and this is something that's really interesting and exciting for me right now in this time period. So the next few videos I'm going to make are all going to be about fixing up this garage and getting it to work how I want it to. Just so I can have multiple motorcycles in here, potentially a car in here, and all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. I know like this is not normal, but I really appreciate it. So go out there and ride safe if you can ride right now during COVID.